In this video, we're going to talk about whether breadcrumbs are good for SEO. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. Well, the first thing we need to do is define what breadcrumbs are. Most of you watching this video probably know what breadcrumbs are already, but in case you don't, here's an example from Walmart.com. Here's a men's puffer jacket. And if you look above the listing for the jacket, you can see there's some links up top here that says clothing, men's coats and jackets, men's puffer jackets. So this trail of breadcrumbs, these links here back to these categories, are what we're talking about when we talk about breadcrumbs, or if you're a WordPress-based website, WordPress breadcrumbs. All-in-One SEO has its own breadcrumb feature, very powerful and easy to use. So let's go ahead and install All-in-One SEO. So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO setup wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at aioseo.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. So now that you've got All-in-One SEO installed and we know what breadcrumbs are, we want to answer the question, do they affect SEO? The answer is no, they don't affect SEO directly, but they do affect SEO indirectly in lots of ways. So let's take a quick look at this Google search for men's coats and jackets. And if we look at the very first result here for this store ASOS, we can see the breadcrumbs actually appear in the main link here. So having these breadcrumbs to the men's section, to the jackets and coats section is helping with their SEO. We're back on this men's jacket example from Walmart.com again. And another way that breadcrumbs help is that they provide a hierarchical link to your website, which can improve usability. So if someone was doing a search for jackets or men's puffer jackets and landed on this page and decided, you know what, I don't like this gray jacket, let me see all of the jackets that they have. There's a very simple link right here, so you can see all the men's coats and jackets that Walmart carries. And then a second way that these breadcrumb links help is every one of these links, 1, 2, 3, 4 on this page, is an internal link to your own content. And having a good balance of internal and external links is crucial to a good SEO strategy. So breadcrumbs aren't helping directly with SEO, but they help indirectly in numerous ways. We're back now on the WordPress dashboard. Let's head on over to the All-in-One SEO menu on the left and click on the link that says General Settings. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to include breadcrumbs on your WordPress website when you use All-in-One SEO. There's some tabs up top, General Settings, Webmaster Tools. We want tab number 3, Breadcrumbs. And then you have to decide how you want to use breadcrumbs on your website. We can drop in a simple Gutenberg block, which means just a block that you use in the default WordPress editor. We could drop in a shortcode. You could use that if you're using the old WordPress editor. We could use a widget to drop in breadcrumbs, or we could use PHP code. You could even copy this PHP code and drop it into something like WP code where you could use it throughout your entire website with one simple copy and paste. We're going to use the Gutenberg block method here, and I'll show you how to drop that Gutenberg block into one of your pages or posts shortly. We dive into all of these settings in another video, but I just want to show you that on this page there's tons of settings that you could tweak to your liking that have to deal with breadcrumbs. Again, like all the settings in All-in-One SEO, if you do nothing, the default settings are very, very good. And then let's head on over to the post section of my website. I have a post about red and black basketball shoes. It kind of approximates what an e-commerce store post or page would look like. So let's go ahead and click that page and bring it up, men's basketball shoes. And I want to drop in some breadcrumbs between the title of the page and before the first paragraph. So I'm just going to put a space in there. And then I'm going to click this plus sign to add a new Gutenberg block. And if we search for breadcrumbs, we see the AIOSEO breadcrumbs block. Click on that to add it. And that's it. It's that simple. So we can see on my website, we have home, fashion, men's basketball shoes. Not a lot of categories, but that's how it works. Once we've added the breadcrumb, we're going to click the update button. And then I'll click View Post to show you guys what this looks like. So we've added these breadcrumbs to our site with a couple of clicks, increased the usability, increased the likelihood that if someone landed on this page from search and didn't like these particular basketball shoes, they could click on these breadcrumbs and find other items they might be interested in. We've added a couple of internal links to our website, which is good for SEO. And then behind the scenes, All-in-One SEO, as part of its breadcrumbs feature functionality, is adding schema data code that could possibly give you a rich snippet in search results, something like this, something like we see next to this men's coats and jackets listing, where we have 4 pictures of coats and jackets. Those images are probably being pulled in as a result of product schema or image schema. The links you see under the listing where it says Mac coats and wool trench coats, that's something that could be pulled in from breadcrumb schema. AIOSEO is automatically generating that schema code. You don't need to hire a developer. You saw how easy it was for me to add those breadcrumbs to my page. So you're getting all of the tangible benefits we've talked about that can indirectly help SEO. Plus, we're getting that schema data added that, if we're lucky, could land us a rich snippet like this. So now you know how WordPress breadcrumbs affect SEO. If you don't already have our awesome All-in-One SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to write titles and descriptions for your content using ChatGPT. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, All-in-One SEO.